Good evening, guys. Today is 27th of December. Today is Sensex expiry, as today is Friday. Now let's get into the trade. Let's do analysis of what happened today. We can see a lot of resistance has been faced here. Like there were sellers from here, here, and here. And all these sellers who has bought this market towards the downside, they might have placed their stop losses like here, or they might have sold from here, keeping his stop loss from here, or just above like this. And these stop losses are liquidity stop losses. But today we can see all those people who might have sold here, here, in a one go, all those stop losses has been taken out towards the upside. And the indicators which I use is moving averages. This is the 9 moving 21. This is the 100, 50, 100, and the blue color one is 200 moving averages. And this looks like a rainbow pattern. As soon as the market opened, it showed a bullish momentum and a slight retracement, and it took support from here, and it went higher. Looking at the premium charts, right, as today is Sensex expiry, we can easily see here as the market opened, gapped up, and this dark black line is camera pivots, guys. This is the pivot, and this is R1 level, and this is S1 level. The market gapped up and closed above the R1 level, and it took support from the R1 level on retracement, and it moved. This is a clear railway track pattern, guys. So whenever there is huge bullish momentum towards this upside, these three candles and small candles shows pullback, and these moving averages in confluence and market opening gap up and R1 acting as support. It's a very good bullish buy over here, but you can see this pullback from here to here. It went all the way to the S1 level here in the premium chart, and from there it took support and it went higher. At the same time, here we can see this pullback towards the upside. This is this pullback towards the downside in this spot chart, and it couldn't even cross the VWAP level, the 9, the 21. All these moving averages are in confluence that it's clearly bearish, and the clear railway track pattern towards the downside, showing that this is clearly bearish, guys. And you can also see it from this RSI, and you could have easily captured this trade, guys. Like after seeing support from R1, but let's break into the trade. And as soon as the market went higher, it faced some kind of resistance over here because we can see clear break of structure towards the downside. And this structure break towards was because of this candle, the last up before the down move. This candle is the last up move before the down move. We can consider these both candles, guys. And we can see this is an order block as well. Last up move before the down move, and it faced some kind of resistance over here, and price consolidated. And we can see after moving, heading back and retracing back, and this bullish candle is there, right? After seeing this bullish candle, a lot of buyers might have entered the market, expecting the market would go further high. This is the last sell-off candle, guys, as we have talked earlier. And I use VWAP as well. So this is anchor VWAP price. So till now it's currently bullish only. So after these buyers were taken out, the market head down. And let's look at 1 minute time frame, guys. So after this bullish momentum, buyers stop loss who might have seen after entered, who might have seen this candle and this candle towards the upside. All those stop losses might have taken out, and you can see clear formation of chalk. And after chalk formation, we can see a very light retracement towards the upside. Sometimes 0.38 level acts as a resistance, or sometimes this 550 level, like the golden zone ratio, can act some kind of resistance over here. Or another way of finding resistance is keeping anchor way up over here. See, it was not able to cross this level, which moved upside, and it was not able to cross this level as well. So it was facing multiple resistance when we place anchor way up over here. And we can see this break of structure towards the downside, multiple break of structures. Here also you can see break of structure. And if you consider the 550 from here, the common point, here also was not able to cross. So we can see from here as well, there are continuous sellers, like there are sellers over here, sellers from here, and sellers from here. But what we need to keep in mind is that this is the demand zone. This is the last up move before the down move, guys. So this is 1 minute of order block. So you should keep this in mind. So after seeing this kind of sellers entering the market, you could have easily sold from here, like this resistance over here, this resistance over here, and this upward movement where buyers got trapped. And you could have target this low, or when it's respecting 550 level, you can draw fib extinction level as well. Common point between this, and this, and you could target the 100% or 1.68 level. But it's better to target zones, guys, like the demand zone. And after multiple retest of this demand zone, there was huge upward momentum which broke this structure, and this is chopped. And you can mark the demand over here as well. And this is also 1 minute. And even this is 1 minute order block. But what we need to keep in mind is this VWAP level, guys. This is the day VWAP. So it acted as a strong resistance over here, and it couldn't cross the VWAP zone. So, like, VWAP is very important, guys, for smart money people who enters the market. And you can see this demand zone over here. And after multiple retest, like this VWAP acted as resistance, and even this VWAP also acted as resistance. And we can see stock here, and we can see this impulsive move towards the downside. We can mark it as this zone. This is 0.38 level, and we can see this momentum towards the upside, which broke structure toward downside. We can keep this candle in mind also. This is the PDRA, so we can keep this zone in mind. One confluence is it's kind of facing resistance over here, resulted into break of structure towards the downside, and this called as chalk. And we can also see the 200 moving averages here. Price was not able to close above this. And another confluence is this kind of trend line liquidity, guys. This trend line liquidity is very important. And when we draw fib extinction levels, keeping this in mind, like on this level, you could have easily targeted the 100% move. This zone, guys. When we look at this time zone, like it's around 240, you can see premium decay over here. You can see this. We have seen that here is traced in Nifty, because both Nifty and Sensex moves somewhat in same way. So let's see, like when it broke structure towards the downside here, and this kind of liquidity I have told earlier, and price was not able to cross the 100, 200 moving averages. You can clearly see here, and this green color line is the 100 moving averages, guys. And the distance between these moving averages also increasing, and we can clearly see there is premium decay. Don't try to take these trades, guys, when there is a lot of decay over here. Premium decay. Don't even try to take these retracements also. You can see it's facing multiple rejections here. As you can see in previous video, I told you this 100 moving averages in premium charts is very important, guys, which is shown in green. And you can see after this rejection from here, the bullish momentum, and this is a perfect retracement, guys, and this bullish movement towards the upside, and after this sudden bullish momentum towards upside, buyers were not able to hold price and suddenly it reversed. This is a trap, guys. A lot of people might have taken trades here, seeing this bullish momentum, expecting that market might go ahead. If you are trading hero and zero, since it was expiry, so a lot of buyers might have got trapped here. But we need to keep one thing in mind is that this 100 moving average, it's very important. And this trend line liquidity as a marked on Nifty, it faced some kind of resistance over here. And you can see after this bullish momentum, guys, this liquidity is very important. This kind of pullback after this bullish momentum with a lot of multiple candles over here, it's a clear sign that there is some kind of buying happening over this side. You could have easily kept stop loss over here and done for 2x. Like if it's 40, you could have targeted 80 points. And I hope this might always, another point is that always try to remember that when there is huge bullish momentum towards the upside and on retracement, it's taking support at the RSI level, that 50% RSI level, only during pullbacks. And if it is not able to cross this level, it's a clear sign that it's bullish. But at the same time, you can see in put also, like it's clearly bearish price. It's not even above the 50% RSI. It's like trading around 20 and 30, and it shows a clear sign of bearishness over here in the call premium. But in put premium, you can see after this bullish momentum towards upside, there was a huge momentum, and the retracement is slow and taking support at the 50% RSI level here. And you can see it's a clear win-win situation, guys. I think my video has helped you gain some insights about how I trade. I think each person has unique way of trading, and I'm sharing my experiences so people who trade can gain some kind of insights here and can implement in their life as well. Thank you, guys.